Hello everyone, my name is Deges, recording this video for Fort Hays State University AEP800 course VD, and this is for Module 15, New Technologies in the Classroom. So today I want to talk about Padlet, which is something that can be used on all devices. I am logged in on my Fort Hays account here, which is obviously not the account that I would use with my school district, so you can see that I don't have anything created, but we'll fix that here in just a little bit. So this video is designed to help my coworkers and fellow peers learn an easy, quick way for maybe a new check for understanding, a new type of bell work, and just to kind of show you how easy it is to use. So my ISTE standards is, my first one is for Coaches 3G, which is use digital communication and collaboration tools to communicate. So this is a way that you can communicate with other peers. We've used this in new teacher trainings, or you can use it to communicate with your students in the classroom. And then the second standard is 3A for educators, which is create experiences for learners to make contributors and build relationships. This is something that they're able to communicate with each other through almost something like social media. And so we know that students like any form of communication via the computer or the internet. So this is great for them as well. So I want to go ahead and jump in. So again, this video or this page is my Fort Hays account, so you can see that I don't actually have anything created in here. There's a paid account, but I am on the free. So to make a Padlet, you just come over here and say make a Padlet. It's really easy. Students, if they need to join one, they just join a Padlet right here. So it's really easy. So make a Padlet. I typically like doing the wall just because I like the way that it's set up. But there's also nothing wrong with doing something in one of the others. But we're going to do the wall. I think that that's one of the most common. So it automatically titles it and makes it look pretty. But one of them that I did actually right before we left for Thanksgiving break is I created a wall, and I wanted to know what students were thankful for. I think so many times we don't always take time to think about that, and we think that so much is wrong. And so I wanted to just kind of bring to light what we had to be thankful for. And so I titled it, "What are you thankful for?" or my thankful list. In hindsight, I probably should have titled it, our thankful list, because it was our class. And so I'm not going to put a description on there. Over here on the wallpaper, you can change the looks. They have a ton of different ones, and I did the thankful one with all the different leaves. So we're going to go back over here. You can pick if you want the light or the dark. I'm just going to leave it with the light. I'm going to go to a little bit different font just for something different. You can symbolize what the Padlet is about. I'm going to do, I know it's not fall, but I'm going to do a heart, because it's what we're thankful for, what we love. And then, so you can do the new post position where you want the new post to come up first or last. I always like it to show up first. That way I can just leave this on the board and their posts will automatically start coming up. So I always like to allow comments for more collaboration, and I like to allow reactions. So this is where students really get to have a little bit more fun and communicate. So you can do if you want to like, vote, or give a star. So I usually just do the like, kind of makes it seem like they're on Facebook or Instagram. I typically don't create the tags, but you definitely can. And then also here's the address for it for when it's time to share. So, I mean, like I said, really, really easy to create. Doesn't take a whole lot of time. As I said in the beginning, I've used this for quick little checks for understanding, where you can just say, you post your question and they post it up there. So you can see all your answers up there. You can also do it for a quick little bell work. You have it on the board. They know where to go, especially after you've done it a couple of times. So it's really easy for them to just jump in and get going. So I'm going to go ahead and click next, so it will create it. So you can do a secret, a public, a private. We're going to go private. Secret means no one else can see it, even if you share it with them. So you can add contributors to access it, remake, moderation. We're just going to leave those where they're at. So now you just have to start posting. So what I need to do is if I wanted to share this with my students, then I would share that link with them right here, put the QR code, whatever it may be. And so, but from my perspective, I can post on this as well. So I can double click and it will post something, or I can do this little plus sign and it will do the same thing as well. So I typically in my name, I like to, or in the title, I like to put my name, and I always tell them, you don't have to keep it anything, you don't have to make anything fancy, just keep it short. So I'm thankful for my family. I could upload a picture of my family, take a picture, I could post a link to a video of us maybe, whatever it may be. And then you click out and it's there. So now everybody else in there, they can like it, they can comment, and you can see it really kind of does look like a social media. Once other people start posting, so again, it's showing up where the more people post, it's just going to keep showing up. So it's really easy to use. I hope that this kind of gives you a quick little understanding of how Padlet might be something that you could use in your classroom for all ages. Thanks for watching, guys.